Hi there. Well, did you know that cooking can be a great form of meditation? It's really nice to allow yourself the time and space to enjoy your cooking. Maybe play a bit of music. That's what we do. We do cook a lot of cooking here in our kitchen, mainly Sri Lankan curries, which are full of a lot of good veggies and spices and things that are really good and nourishing. But to put that extra love into your cooking makes all the difference. So here are some recipes that we'd like to share with you, which we eat on a regular basis, pretty much every day. So here we are. Enjoy. Morning, everybody. Here we are on a rather hot and sunny day in Sydney. And today we are going to make Sri Lankan style dal. Absolutely delicious. So actually we're going to start here with picking some leaves from the karapincha tree, or the curry leaf tree, which we are lucky enough to have growing in our backyard. And this you'll find is the essential aromatic ingredient for any Sri Lankan curry. So the first rule in any kind of cooking is to make sure you have a chopper on hand. And today we have chopper on. And for tough jobs like chopping onions, there's always the special onion chopping glasses. So to my lentils, which roughly have about 2 cups of water, I'm going to add a spoonful of turmeric. Nice generous spoonful there. It gives us our beautiful colouring. So the turmeric's going to go in there. And now I'm going to add some salt. There we go. Good generous amount of salt. There we go, roughly about a teaspoon. And then we're going to boil that till the lentils are soft. So as you can see, those curry leaves are frying there, and we're getting a lovely aroma. Now I've added around about a tablespoon and a half of the moulded fish. We don't want to add too much, otherwise it gives a bit of a fishy flavour. Next I'm going to add around about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, maybe 2, of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds. And now I'm adding my garlic and onion. I happen to love garlic, so I'll give a good 4 or 5 cloves there of garlic. Depends on how much you like garlic flavour. And I'm just going to stir that around. And here is where I don these special tear-free onion cutting glasses, because frying onions can also be slightly painful. So when the onions and garlic are nicely fried and slightly translucent, we're going to add the tomato. Probably should have been fresh tomato, but I didn't actually have any. So we'll add a little bit of that special organic tomato here. Give that a bit of a stir. So here we are, we have our lentils, which are pretty much done. You've got to make sure you don't overdo them, otherwise they'll get too gluggy. So I'm quite happy with that consistency here for the lentils. So you can see I've mixed in our delicious spicy base in with the lentils, and now we're going to just mix that all together nicely. Get that flavour through the lentil. Last magic ingredient, which really tops it off and gives it a dish. Oh, I poured it a bit. Coconut milk. Coconut milk, just a wee little slurp, not too much. Coconut milk gives it that beautiful, creamy, delicious flavour. We're just going to let that simmer away. You have to be a little bit careful that it doesn't end up like a New Zealand hot mud pool and start bubbling out of the pan everywhere, which does tend to happen. We're going to leave that just for about 5 minutes, and then our dal will be ready.